Which budgie should I get? Hi there. Budgies are a popular choice for first-time bird owners due to their small size, playful personalities, and ability to forage for themselves. When choosing a budgie, there are a few factors to consider, including their breed, gender, and age. In terms of breed, there are several varieties of budgies to choose from, including Australope, Nubian, and combatants. Each breed has its own unique characteristics and may suit different lifestyles and environments. For example, Australopes are known for their vocal abilities and are great for people who enjoy interacting with their budgies, while Nubians are known for their calmer personalities and are better suited for beginners. When it comes to gender, both male and female budgies can be adopted. However, male budgies tend to be more active and vocal, while female budgies are known for their nurturing personalities and ability to lay eggs. It's important to consider your personal preferences when choosing a gender. Finally, when it comes to age, budgies can be adopted at different stages of their lives. Young budgies are typically around 3 weeks old and need a lot of attention and care. Adults, on the other hand, are more independent and require less attention. It's important to do your research and ensure that the budgie you're considering adopting is the right age for your lifestyle. Overall, when choosing a budgie, consider your personal preferences and the needs of the bird. With the right budgie, you can enjoy years of companionship and entertainment.